Okay. Hi guys! Welcome to our webinar. Backtrack lang ako ng konti. Hindi ko kasi na-record. For tonight, we'll talk about winning psychology. Kung saan inaaral natin ano yung ginawa ng mga successful people para tayo din maging successful sa industry na ito. Okay? It is said that psychology is very important. So ano yung difference ng profitable trader and that? Guys, please note, 95% of new traders fail. And that's a very, very hard fact. 95%, okay? Kasi most of those hindi nila inaral. Kaya I congratulate you, nandito ka, dami na natin, almost 100 for tonight. So what's the difference of a winning trader? Okay, by the way, I will close. Pinakamataas ito is 9:30 and PH time, 1 hour 30 minutes because magte-trade pa tayo. We have a live session trade on 9:30. So it's just an hour or so for this webinar. So it's not about winning traders formula. Sinasabi ko strategies. In our community, meron tayo. We have a lot of strategies, by the way. And then, binibigay natin dyan dalawa, tatlo lang because hindi naman kailangan marami. Importante kahit isa lang, basta ma-master mo. Sino dito naka-attend ng XAU Sniper? XAU Sniper Gold Scalping Strategy. By the way, yung training na yun is exclusive doon sa mga VIP community. But I still believe that yung psychology or yung mindset ng isang tao is very important. What sets apart a winner in trading is their mindset. Iba yung pag-iisip talaga. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Ito na, okay? Study shows that technical analysis is only 10% and trading psychology is 90%. So kung may isang bagay na gusto mong i-master aside from the technical analysis and strategies, yung psychology, yung perspective mo about forex trading. Okay, so tonight, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. So warning lang, okay? These principles may be hard pill to swallow. Guys, can I have your permission to speak about real talk? Real talk, no babysitting here. Kung baga, medyo sometimes masasampal ka, sometimes masasaktan ka. But I would like you to know that real success needs real talk. Is that okay with you? Do I have your permission to speak real talk here? Okay. Can you, yes, go ahead. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So we are all mature here. Kung sa Bisaya pa, walay wang loon. Because success, guys, in the business world, I would like to tell you, you need to handle hard situation, tough times, and that's normal. Okay, that's very normal. And the difference between successful people and not, because successful people, they thrive in the middle of those challenging moments. Ganun din sa forex trading. Actually, mas grabe dito kasi emotion mo dito, high, low, lalo na may trade ka, naging profitable ka, extreme high, natalo ka, extreme low, tinitingnan mo yung chart, kinakabahan ka, sino ka-relate? Gusto mo matulog, hindi ka makatulog kasi yung chart mo, yung ano mo, pula-pula pa. So, ganun talaga, ganun yung nature. And we need to address this one as a mature individual kasi this is the reason bakit kayo nandito. Okay, we need to hear those words na hindi nyo naririnig ng ibang tao. Alright? So, kasi may journey tayo guys to learn strategies. Sometimes you fail. No, there's no perfect. And everything, lalo na kung bago pa tayo, na-discourage ka, you continue, and then you learn, and then strategies, and then you apply, hanggang nakuha mo yung goal mo. Guys, mayroon akong chika sa inyo. May marites ako sa inyo. Mayroon ako na-meet kanina. Okay, mamaya papakita ko yung picture. Ito yung marites. But, pakita ko muna kung ano yung journey ng isang forex trading. According to Google, it will take you at least 1 year to be consistent, profitable in forex trading. The quickest is 6 months. However, in our community, because of the cheat codes, AI tools, and strategies na binigay na lahat, hindi pare-pareho. But ang goal natin in a month, na isang buwan lang makuha mo na. May mga iba nagka-resulta, 2 weeks lang nagka-resulta na. I mean, kumita na talaga ng 6 digit, ganun. because of forex trading. But iba-iba kasi yung resulta, iba-iba yung mindset. Kaya aralin natin para mabilis tayo mag-resulta. Guys, 66 years old when he started forex trading. So this one caught my attention. Actually, etong screenshot na ito, pang 5th na niya screenshot in that week after the 2nd week or 3rd week on joining our community. As you can see here, yung date is October 24. So this was October 24. A 66-year-old joined our community. Inaral ang forex trading, in-apply yung cheat codes na binigay natin sa kanya, at naging consistent, profitable siya ng 100 to 200 USD in one day. In one day. Grabe, no? Sino dito 66 years old and above? 66 years old and above. Wala siguro, guys. Hindi siya mahilig sa computer. I might sasabihin ko sana na hindi siya magaling, but that's not true kasi magaling na siya ngayon. When he started, hindi siya talaga marunong sa computer. Alam niyo ba yung introductory na webinar natin? Tiningnan niya doon for 15 times. 15 times talaga pabalik-balik. Guys, anong nangyari sa kanya after that? Pwede kasing naging profitable, katsamba lang, pero yung consistency, that's the real challenge, yung consistency. So, what happened was, naging consistent siya. Okay. So, ito na yung another, nagkita kami, I think, after 2 months or 3 months. Okay. December na ito. December. Okay, December, nag-trade siya. Kumita siya 545. Continuous, consistent. And then, standard account ito, another December 12. 312. Meaning kasi consistency. So, after 2 months, October yun. And then, nakita kami ulit sa community kasi meron kaming face-to-face na bootcamp. That was March. Nag-profit siya 200. Example lang to guys kasi kung ilalatag natin lahat, hindi tayo abot ng 1 oras o 2 oras. Okay? March, ibig sabihin, na-update, na-follow through ko talaga yung journey niya. And just today, tingnan nyo yung t-shirt ko. Sinuot ko. At tingnan nyo yung picture. Just the same. Okay? Look at my t-shirt and picture. Below in the condo where I'm living right now, nakita ko siya. And this kind so happened that we are living in the same city. Nakita ko siya and then we met, we chatted. Kumusta ka? Tito, kasi tito na, dati sir, di ba? Kumusta yung trade mo, Tito Eman? Kumusta yung trade mo? Okay. Nakabili siya ng bagong laptop and then galing siya sa vacation. And then nakabili siya ng bagong laptop and then, kamusta yung trade mo? Sabi niya, okay. So guys, ito nangyari sa kanya. This was happened last week. Latest ito. Nag-withdraw siya. Another screenshot. Tingnan nyo naman. Emmanuel. Bakit Iman? Kasi Emmanuel. Okay, nag-screenshot. Nag-withdraw siya guys ng 750 USD. And naka-withdraw din siya ng 888 USD. So lahat-lahat around 1.6 in just 1 week. Come on. Grabe. 102 participants natin guys. Welcome kayong lahat. Ano yung point ko dito? Ano yung point ko dito? 67 years old na kasi nag-birthday siya last December. 67 years old. Nakuha niya, naging consistent siya sa forex trading. At yun na yung lifestyle niya ngayon. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, I'm so happy na meet kita. And then, ito na yung lifestyle ko. Ngayon, pa-travel-travel na lang. In fact, kanina, nakita ko yung bagong laptop niya binili kasi hindi na siya nag-aral na siya ng mga chart, yung mga trading view. So grabe, sabi ko, wow, ano strategy mo ngayon? Wow, well, good. Okay naman yung strategy. Tama naman. Pero guys, yung point ko kasi dito is that kung nakuha ng isang 67 years old, I guess you know what I mean. Walang dahilan na hindi mo kaya makuha. Sino dito naniniwala? Sino dito naniniwala na makuha ko to? Sino dito naniniwala na maging profitable siya? Can you type me? Me? Ako maniniwala. Guys, remember, psychology. Ngayon pa lang, if you believe you can, then matama. But if you believe you can't, then tama ka rin. So imagine. So this is a real story of the real person. Ang dami kong gustong ipakita, but this guy is exemptional because of his age. Okay? Exemptional. Okay. And this is very consistent. I think na-introduce, when you join the community, na-introduce na siya. Kasi very inspiring yung story niya. So ito yung latest withdrawal niya. Grabe. So winning wages in the battlefield of your mind. Sabi ni Tim. By the way, Tim Grover is the personal coach of Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, and Dwayne Wade. So inaral niya ano yung mindset ng mga extremely successful individual like Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan, and Dwayne Wade. So sabi niya, yung winning, ganin doon sa trading. Kasi pag natatakot ka, kahit profitable ka, i-close mo. O kasi kung natatakot ka, tapos konti lang yung pula, i-close mo. So winning wage in the mind. So ngayon i-aralin natin, ano ba yung tamang mindset ng isang profitable trader? Okay, are you ready? Ready? Can you type ready if you're ready? That was just an introduction, guys. So let's go. Let's go. Number one. Student mindset. Education over profit. Guys, I tell you, paano ka maging doktor? Pwede bang maging doktor na hindi mag-aral? Paano ka maging lawyer? Pwede ba maging lawyer na hindi mag-aral? Paano ka maging seaman? Pwede ba maging seaman na hindi mag-aral? And one of my mentor, guys, is a former seaman, seafarer. Imagine, 7 years siya, aral, including internship and training para makasakay. But guess what? Dumating yung time, kasi naging profitable na siya sa trading, yung 1 month niya na income doon, kikunin lang niya dito ng 1 day. Of course, hindi na siya nagtrabaho. Bakit pa siya magtrabaho? For what? Diba? Kinita naman niya. So, napatravel na lang siya. Pero, inaral niya. Okay. Tito Iman, inaral talaga niya. We went to Manila actually. We attended a different training. That's what we cost. That cost us 30,000. I conducted a training here. Nag-join pa rin siya. 67 years old. Yung sa mga webinar ko, when he started, pabalik-balik talaga. Lahat, nag-enroll siya, everything. And then right now, kanina, hindi ko talaga sabi niya, Coach, grabe bagong laptop mo. Tito, bagong laptop mo. Sabi niya, Coach, ganun talaga, Coach. Kailangan tayo mag-invest. So, kailangan siya mag-invest in education. Now, here's the hard truth. If you focus in education, profit will just chase you. Normal lang yan kasi malaman mo kung anong ginagawa mo. But most of the new traders mistake, yung mga baguhan. Kaya kanina maraming nag-answer ng number 1. We choose money, gustong kumita kaagad. Mangyari was, that's one of the biggest mistake. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo alam and your capital is at risk. I remember, there's one guy who joined my webinar and humingi siya kung anong platform, ano yung link, so binigay ko. I thought he's already a trader. And then, at that time, nakita ko na nag-deposit siya kasi IB ako eh. I'm also doing this one for IB and those that's part of the business, okay? And then, nakita ko, nag-deposit siya 200, 300 something, okay? Tapos bukas, yung deposit niya, wala na. Sabi ko, anong nangyari? Nakita ko doon, mayroon siyang 3 trade, guys. 300 USD, 3 trade lang. 3 trade lang talaga. Wipe out yung pera niya. Yung lot size niya is napakalaki compared sa capital niya. Sayang yung 300. Kasi gusto niyang mag-trade kaagad. May mga ganun eh, gustong mag-trade kaagad. And then eventually, you will realize na hindi pala siya ganun ka-dali. Siyempre, at stake yung capital mo dito. Kaya aralin mo muna. That's good kasi nag-join kayo, naging part kayo sa community, and then ngayon, inaral nyo. So that's good. So if I were you, bago kayo mag-trade, para hindi ma-at-stake yung capital nyo, hanggang ngayon guys, do you know, na-amaze ako. Even yung mga kilala ko talaga na magagaling na mag-trade, hanggang ngayon, they're still investing for tools. In fact, mas grabe, mas more advanced na yung mga tools nila ngayon. Okay? Siyempre, mas mahal. Pero may kumikita naman din sila. So, walang problema. There's still investment in education and training kasi ganoon naman talaga. If you want to be successful, you need to know the game. So knowledge protect your capital. The reason why 95% of new trader fail at yung capital nila, tawag natin dyan, nasusunog or naliliquid. Kasi walang risk management at hindi alam kung paano ginagawa. Okay, if I were you, kung mag-i-invest ka, kung mag-start ka lang talaga, kung siseryosohin mo to, kasi marami talagang gustong siseryosohin to kasi this is one of the fastest way na kumita. Kung tama lang talaga yung process mo, given na yung success mo. Alright? Is it fair? Do you agree with me? Ito sabi na isa sa mga mentors natin.
Biggest enemy of a person is not the fear. The biggest enemy of any person is the illiteracy.
So sabi niya,
The
ano yung biggest enemy of the person? Is not fear. Hindi yung natatakot ka sa market. The biggest enemy of the person is
enemy of a person is not the fear. The biggest enemy of any person is the illiteracy.
Illiteracy. Illiterate, hindi mo alam. Uneducated ka sa forex trading. Yun yung pinaka grabing educate. So forex education is the foundation for long-term success. Wala naman siguro ditong short-term success lang. Short-term relationship lang, di ba? So dapat long-term yung relationship. Look at Tito Eman, long-term, 6 months na, profitable, looking young. Di ba? So, doing good. Kasi nakita nyo naman talaga, Inar. So the more you learn in this industry, the more you earn. So lack of education makes traders easily target for fake signals. Okay. Ito na. Fake signals, pasabay sa trade, and mga promises. Okay, ulitin ko. Bakit na-scam? Bakit natalo? Hindi alam. Sumasabay sa mga free signals na yan. Guys, hindi ako naniniwala sa mga free signals na yan. Those were all lead generation. Lead generation lang yun para magiging prospect kayo. Market sa mga product na ino-offer nila. So I don't believe in free signals. Okay? So maraming natatalo dyan. Sino na biktima dito ng mga free signals na yan na hindi kumikita? Lalo na itong pasabay trade. Kaya in my first webinar, sinasabi ko talaga, hindi kami humihingi ng investment na magsasabay ka sa trade. So kung may nagme-message sa'yo, hi, I am Nars Paraguya or I'm a staff of Nars Paraguya, would you like to invest with us? No, that's not me. That's not our culture. And we discourage you to do that. Papasabay. And then yung mga misleading. Okay, mga misleading. Ibig sabihin, lagay mo dito yung 10,000 mo, magiging 40,000 and next month, magiging, tapos wala kang gagawin, guys. That's not true. Sino dito na-experience ng scam? Ako. Isa ako sa victim ng scam. Isa ako sa victim ng scam. Okay. The reason why ngayon na tinuturo ko para hindi tayo ma-scam kasi hindi natin alam. That was before. Hindi natin alam. So kung ayaw mong ma-scam, sir, ako pasabay scam. Grabe. Guys, pasabay. Walang mangyayari dyan. If I were you, aralin mo, ikaw mag-trade. If ever by chance matalo ka, which is part of the game, hindi lahat ng laro ni Michael Jordan panalo, at least you learn. At least you learn. Diba? At least you learn. 3,000 USD, maliit lang to, sir. May iba pa talaga malaki. Yung iba talaga 7 digit. Kaya talagang worth it siya talagang aralin. Tapos sinasabi, enrollment, 10,000 pesos lang, 179. Ay, ang mahal. Ay, ano dyan? Magandang investment dyan. Okay, sige. Scam. Scam. 3,000 USD. Ganon, di ba? Ang mahal. Ang mahal. So, pero yung learning, ayaw. Wala tayong magawa. Kaya na-scam. Kaya natatalo kasi hindi inaral. Okay. Kaya sa community natin, meron tayong tinatawag na EKA. Ang EKA is yung, kumbaga, na-formulate na yung basic and advanced and then master class. Yes, I know. Maraming information sa YouTube. Okay? Kagaya ng pag-aaral. Yung mga information sa mga college ngayon, yung mga lesson nila, nasa YouTube din yan. Pero bakit nag-aaral tayo? Kasi yung combination, yung strategies, yung paano, kumbaga yung timpla kung paano itinimpla. Ito kasi calibrated. Kaya tinatawag na ECA, calibrated. And not only that, you can watch it anytime. If you're busy, anytime, anywhere, pwede mong gawin, di ba? Lalo na sa mga OFW, medyo busy. So, all the time, gagawin niya. Or kung kailan siya available, pwede niyang panoorin anytime. Okay? Another thing, in our community, we have chart mastery. Guys, ito yung mga klaseng training na kailangan mo bayaran ng 30 to 50,000 kasi this is about technical analysis. By the way, ito na-access to sa mga VIP community yung mga nag-enroll. Okay? So, mayroon pa mga bonus dyan. Kanina, ito pala yung interview kanina, isa sa mga student natin na OFW na nagka-resulta din. Grabe. Grabe ito. Actually, ang nangyari sa kanya, guys, is that after niya nag-withdraw, since she's in Dubai, bumili siya ng business. Nagpatayo siya ng business sa pamilya doon sa Pilipinas. Tindahan. Because of the result niya dito sa Forex. Okay? So ito yung mga result niya. 2,524 in 1 week. Wow. Okay? So number 2, guys, right people and right mindset. Right people, right mindset, right connection. If you want to be a winner, go with the winner. Yung mga nag-aaral ng mga strategies, yung nagtuturo, but if you want to be a loser, go with the loser. So, paano mo malaman yung isang tao is maganda yung mindset niya? Guys, tatlong klaseng utak ng tao. Tatlong klaseng utak. Okay. Small minds talk about people. They always talk about people. Small minds. Yan. Okay. Big mind talk about events. Big mind talk about events. Great mind talk about ideas. Talk about ideas. Ano yung pinag-uusapan natin dito? Strategies, paano gawin, inaral. So if you want to be a winner, simple lang. Go with the winner. Hawa-hawa lang yan. Ang success is hawa-hawa. So if you always join us here, mahahawa ka and eventually you will be profitable in the near future. Because right people will help you to grow fast. Right people will help you to grow fast. Surround yourself with experienced and like-minded traders. Kaya mayroon tayong tinatawag na community. And welcome to the community. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na VIP community. Kasi sa VIP community, 90%, 95% traders na. And good news is that same din yung experience sa'yo. Dito kasi sa mga general community, like Kabayan Traders Community, may trader, yung may wala, yung iba may plano pa. Yung iba nagpaplano pa hanggang ngayon. So, hindi ka talaga makakuha ng information doon. So, surround yourself with experienced and like-minded, learn proven strategies. Lalo na dito, guys, meron tayong bagong strategies. Very simple to follow. Live sessions and then XAU Sniper. Okay. Live sessions with US30 and XAU Sniper, binigay natin. Very simple, easy to follow. I'm not saying that after you watch that one, kuha mo na kaagad. But the most important is may guide ka, may reference ka. Mas madali kang maging profitable kasi you don't need to experiment. Remember, mas matagal mag-experiment at the same time, it will cost you capital. So, ibibigay na namin yan. So, long-term success trading requires discipline, patience, emotional control. A winning mindset helps you to stay consistent. Importanteng mindset. Okay. Number 1 mindset, education. Kung baga, dapat aralin ko to. Number 2 mindset, right people. Dapat mag-join ako sa mga tamang community. Copy? Right people will give you guidance, diba? Iga-guide ka. Let's say for example, okay, this is common. Nagtitrade ka, wala kang community. Just like me before. So when yung natalo ako, umiyak ako. Natalo ako. Talo ako. Pero if you're a community, natalo ka, nagtalo ka. Magkano talo mo? 50 USD. Congratulations, wala yan. Normal yan. Part yan sa game. I remember one time may tumawag sa akin, isuras ng gabi. Instead na matulog, I'm about to sleep. Coach, hindi ako makatulog. Bakit? Coach, negative ako. Magkano negative mo? Hindi ako makatulog, coach. Magkano negative mo? Sabi niya, coach, 15 USD. Sabi ko, i-close mo yung trade mo, matulog ka, ang liit ng yan. So ano yung point doon? They will give you right advice. We will not be telling you na dito lahat 100% smooth sailing. Walang ganon. Kahit mag-open ka ng business, walang smooth sailing. Kahit magtatrabaho ka, walang smooth sailing. Kahit mag-abroad ka, walang smooth sailing. At least here, we already prepare you, especially for those na hindi pa talaga nag-start ng trading. We already prepare you guys. Mas maganda yung growth mo, mas maganda yung journey mo, madali kang makakuha, maganda yung learning process mo kasi nag-start ka ng tama, nag-start ka ng right mindset. Are you with me? So right mindset number 1 of the successful trader, aralin. Mindset number 2, right community. They will give you right advice. Bo, itong gawin mo. Paano ka natalo? Anong problema? Okay, sige, next time itong gawin mo. I-master mo ito psychology, i-master mo ito strategy. Alright? Next is that readers, of course, they're willing to pay the price. You must be willing to do what others won't do to achieve, so that others won't achieve. So in layman's term, mayroon kang gagawin sa buhay mo na hindi ginagawa ng ibang tao, so that magkakaroon ka sa buhay mo na hindi nawala sa ibang tao. Are you with me? Following? Are you still there? Following? Can you type FF if you're following? FF. Following. Okay? So, halimbawa, magiging ko dito, sir, natalo ako. Alam mo kung ano yung i-reply ko sa'yo? Congratulations. Normal yan. That's part of success. Lahat ba sino the greatest shooter in the whole world right now in the basketball? Sino the greatest shooter in the whole world in the basketball? The greatest, pinakamagaling na 3-point shooter. Pinakamagaling sa NBA. Sino? Meron ba mga fans ng Yes, Jelson, thank you so much, Stephen Curry. Now, tanong ko, lahat ba ng tira ni Stephen Curry pasok? Lahat ba ng tira ni Stephen Curry pasok? Actually, magaling na 3-point shooter, ang average dyan is 33%. Ibig sabihin, tatlong tira, isang pasok, okay na yan. Yun yung win rate nila, 30% lang. Pero sa atin, yung mga strategies natin, kung ma-master mo, pwede ka magkaroon 70%, 80% win rate. Diba? Ganun talaga yan. So if you're in the right people, right mindset, and you're willing to pay the price, malalaman mo that, okay guys, this is normal. Let me continue. Yung bata, 'di ba, paglabas nila sa nanay nila, marunong na ba silang maglakad? Yung bata, marunong na ba? Paglabas, marunong na bang maglakad? Hindi, 'di ba? Yung nagpa-practice siyang maglakad, tuloy-tuloy ba? Naging magaling ba kaagad? Hindi. Nadadaba pa siya? Yes. Umu ba siya in Bisaya pa? Yes. I don't know. What's the word mo guys? Help me in Tagalog. Umiyak ba siya? Yes. Lahat yan part ng journey para maging successful ka. Pero nag-stop ba siya? Hindi. Kasi bata, walang takot yan. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kahit umiyak man yan. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy lang. Yun yung ibig sabihin. That you're willing to pay the price. Normal yan. Are you willing to go with the process? Okay. Financial commitment. It also refers to the body that you might need to invest in tools, education, and capital. Guys, listen. This is business. This is business. Kung magtatayo ka ng negosyo, magkano bang kailangan? Okay, my traditional business, I built it for 7 million. Hanggang ngayon, 3 years na hindi pa ako nag-ROI. Hindi pa bumalik yung pera ko. Ano sabi ng in-interview kanina ni Ma'am Jed? 3 days lang after siya nag-trade. Okay? Nabawi niya kaagad ng multiply pa. So, yun talaga. You need to invest in tools and education. Pwede bang mekaniko ka, wala kang tools? O hinihingi mo lang yung mga tools sa tindahan? Pwede ba? Pwede bang mekaniko ka, pumunta ka doon, ay wala akong tools, pahingi ng tools mo. Pwede bang ano ako? Hindi. Kasi, in fact, mayroon akong isang kaibigan na mekaniko, very advanced yung tools niya. May mga scanner pa siya talaga. So, ganun yan. Ganun din dito. Dapat may tools ka and mag-invest ka sa tools ka. In fact, guys, yung traders, the more na pro yan, the more na marami yung tools. So, mo sabihin na, ano ba yung community nila na gumagamit ng tools? Siyempre, kasi to make you easier. Yes, it's okay, manual trade, mano-mano, walang problema yan. Kung gusto mo pumunta sa bukid, maglakad ka, pwede, walang problema yan. Pero may jeep na, may kotse na, may motor na, may FJ Cruiser na, may Land Cruiser na. So, mamili ka. Kung gusto mo talagang matatagalan or kung gusto mong mabilis. Siyempre, it would help if meron kang tools. Kaya may mga ganitong klaseng tools na ino-offer natin. Kaya, when I started Forex trading 2017, talaga ang hirap. Back then, ang mahal ng tools. AI at that time was 200,000 kasi hindi pa siya available anywhere. Hahanapin mo pa. 200,000 to 400,000. That was before. But now, guys, darating yung time mas dumarami pa yung traders. Okay? Kasi kahit 67 years old nakukuha. Okay, by the way, parang nare-redundant ito. Willing to pay price means you're embracing your journey towards your goal. Knowing the success that come easily. So kung yung tamang mindset mo, natalo ka, normal lang ito. Normal lang ito, sabi ni Coach Nar, sa community namin, normal lang. So mag-adjust lang ako, ano kayang kailangan ko itong gawin. So hindi ka na di-discourage kasi alam mo na yung journey mo. Mayroon kang tamang mindset. Are you with me? Following? Following. Guys, next. Mindset number 1, education. Aralin. Mindset number 2, right community, right people. Mindset number 3, yung kanina, willing to pay the price. Okay? Willing. Mindset number 4, you take it, own it. Take 100% responsibility. I always encounter coach, natalo ako, kasalanan mo yan. Kasalanan ng community. Many. But guys, successful people don't blame. Successful people owned it. Anong ibig sabihin, guys? Sorry, it's my fault. Okay? Kasi if you don't own that one, kung i-blame mo lang sa iba, how can you make adjustment for yourself? So yung pagkatalo mo, walang, ang tawag dan sa Bisaya, walay pulos. Yung pagkatalo mo, walang kabuluhan. Kasi yung pagkatalo mo dapat normal yan para matuto ka, para makapag-evaluate ka. How will you evaluate if you don't own it and you feel that you're not, Coach, tatalo ako, kasalanan. Bakit ko kasalanan? Ikaw yung naghawak ng trade mo. Ikaw naghawak sa MT5 mo. Kahit ituturo ko man lahat ng strategy sa'yo, ikaw naghawak sa mindset mo. Ikaw yung pumipindot. So the fastest way to earn this one is to own it. Okay, I made a mistake. Saan kaya ako nagkamali? Guys, tip. Every time na magkaroon kayo ng i-take note nyo, mga lesson, learnings, i-take note nyo. So ito is tinuturo ng isang magaling na coach, si John Wooden. One of the winningest coach in NCAA. Ang principle niya, kung matalo ang team, walang blaming, no blaming. Inaalaw niya, he took the blame. Sabi niya, guys, I'm sorry, it's my fault. Kasalanan ko bakit natalo tayo. Pag nanalo siya, hindi din siya kumukuha ng credit. Credit to my players na nanalo ako. That's why naging isang magaling siya na coach. Kasi if you own it, you can make an adjustment. Are you with me? Following? Following? Learning? Can you type learning if you're learning? Our 120 participants, can you type learning if you are learning? Okay. Learning. Taking 100% responsibility. Oh, no, di ba? Nag-leave the group na. It's okay. That's normal. Kasi hindi lahat not everyone can manage real talk. Okay, real talk. Owning your actions and decision will allow you to learn your mistake. Taking 100% in responsibility in Forex, it's crucial. para magkaroon ka ng walang external blame. So, ikaw yung nagtitrade, pera mo yan, hawak mo yan, ikaw yung nag-aaral, anong mangyari? You take 100% responsibility. Copy? Copy? Masakit ba? Okay, blaming sa factors. Kasi, mas lalo kang napoprostrate, mas lalo kang nagiging emotional if you tend on blaming. You can't move on. Yung mga taong nagbi-blame, matagal mag-move on. Kasi kasalanan niya. Kasi kasalanan niya, kasi kasalanan matagal. But if you own it, okay, I take responsibility, I made a mistake, and I admit it. Ano kayong dapat kong gawin next para maging tama itong desisyon ko? Copy? Are you with me? So, it will took a mature individual para to address. So, kailangan mo talaga dito maging mature ka. Kasi kung hindi, sayang yung capital mo. Okay? So, ba't maraming topic about owning 107? So, from now on, you want to be successful in trading? No blaming. Can you type? No blaming. No blaming. If it is to be, it's up to me. Bakit walang wow. No blaming. No blaming. Don't even blame yourself. That's not it's normal. Hindi lahat ng tira pasok. Ganun lang. Take 100, evaluate, and then move on. The fastest way you can move on, it's the better. Mas mabilis yung learning curve mo. Kung mabilis kang mag-admit at mabilis kang makapag-adjust. Okay, pick up yourself. No emotion, wag kang emotional. Kasi hindi nakakatulong yan. Okay. Number 5, guys, please, when you trade, use tools. Profitable traders use tools. Indicators are tools. Sinuturo namin yan. Anong tamang indicators? Anong tamang kombinasyon? Tinuturo natin yan. AI tools, AI pattern scanner, mayroon tayo sa community. Okay? Please, can you imagine this one? Can you see this one? I have like a screw here, screw. This one is screw. Can you imagine if you pick this screw, gamit mo yung ngipin mo, or eto, gamit ko yung kutsara, and I'm going to remove this screw. Di ba mahirap? Can you see it right, guys? Makikita nyo ba? Okay. Di ba mahirap? Mahirap siya. Kasi walang tamang tools. Okay, walang tamang tools. Huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. But if you will pick up a star screwdriver to pull this one out, napakadali. Kahit kumakanta-kanta ka habang nire-remove mo yung screw na yan. Madali lang because using the right tools. Guys, ganun din yung trading. Using the right tools. Alright? Okay, ito sabi ko, di ba? So ngayon, ma-advance na. Imagine, mekaniko ka. Nagpapagawa ka ng sasakyan mo, tapos dumating yung mekaniko, walang tools. Anong klaseng mekaniko ka? Parang something like that. I think you get the point by now. Okay? So the tools will help you precision and speed. Uulitin ko, the tools will help you precision. Kasi mental calculator, it will take you a lot of time. Tapos you will lose the opportunity na dapat nag-buy ba? Buy na. Sell na. Di ba? Ang bilisan lang. Sometimes, sino dito yung bagong nakapagpanood sa pag-join kay Abdallah? Can you type it? Tapos sabi niya, tapos na yung trade. Yun lang. Seconds lang. Grabe, ang bilis ah. Di ba? Speed. Grabe, ang bilis ah. Just, guys, welcome. Tapos medyo na-late ka ng 5 minutes. Guys, walang trade ah. Walang trade. Wala bang trade? Hindi, kapatid. Tapos na yung trade. Ang bilis lang. So kung i-compute mo yan manually, wala kang tools, matatagalan ka. Those people use tools. Okay. Precision and speed. Fast. The market is move fast. The traders leverage AI, smart tools to gain significant advantage. If you have right tools, you have unfair advantage. Para kang mayroon kang unfair advantage kung may tamang tools ka. Alright? So example here, eto, very good. In CDUSD, M50, scan ka agad ng AI pattern scanner, may training, sabi niya, okay, eto yung sabi ng tools. Tapos alam mo, tiningnan mo, marunong ka pa rin tumingin. Entry, pumasok ka, dalawang candle lang. Ito, grabe oh. Sabi buy, ito. Pumasok ka dito, tingnan mo. Bang! AI pattern scanner guys, Manara ito, gamit. Bumalik pa, kinuha pa ulit oh. Bang! Bumalik pa, kinuha pa ulit oh. Bang! Grabe. TP1, TP2. So, ganun ka precise kapag may tools ka. Another, here. USD CAD. Okay? USD CAD. M15 bat pattern. Kinuha niya. Sabi niya, pag pumasok dito, entry ka, ito yung stop loss mo. TP1, TP2, it takes a lot of candle, pero ganoon pa rin. TP1 hit, nag-consolidate, nag-range, or nag-sideways, and then TP2 hit. Iba, pag mayroon kang tinatawag na tools. Guys, ito yung example.
Wow, guys, TP. Congrats, closing this trade.
I love you. I know that you love me.
Wow.
Pag mga ganun, guys, I love you, profitable na yan, tapos na yung trade. Tapos pasok, I love you, I love you, I love you, what a lovely day. Ano nangyari? Tapos na yung trade, guys. Ito, example. Grabe. This one, it will just take you 5 minutes. Mataas na yung 15 minutes sa trade. Ganun lang kabilis. Pero paano mo ito nangyari? Kasi may access ka. May access ka. Mayroon tayong Wealth Gainer AI para dun sa mga gustong mag-trade na at the same time gustong kumita habang nag-aral pa. Mayroon tayo, let's just say 10% or let's just say 7% equity gain. Sino magbibigay ng 7% equity gain in 1 month? Tumutubo yung pera mo, wala kang ginagawa. AI trading. Okay. So, he who is not courage enough to take risk will accomplish nothing in life. He who will not courageous enough to take risk will accomplish nothing. So mindset number 1, education. Tama ba? Can someone type? Ano yung nalearn nyo? Mindset number 1, right? Education. Kailangan talaga mag-invest sa education. Aralin. So mali yung mindset. Ay, wag mo nang aralin yan. Ipasabay mo na. Okay? Mindset number 2. Wait. May ba yung ilaw? Okay. Mindset number 2. Ano yung mindset number 2? Help me guys. Help me. Right connection, right people, right community. Para may makasabi sa inyo na tama itong ginagawa mo or mali itong ginagawa mo. Alam niyo kung mag-i-enroll ka? I'm sorry guys ha. Sometimes talagang sinasabihan ko, sabi, bro, mali yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka nakapalo sa instruction. Di ba at least, di ba? May nagsabi sa inyo kaysa natalo ka na walang nagsabi sa iyo na ganun yung nangyari. Mindset number 3, willing to pay the price. Mindset number 4, no blaming. Mindset number 5, use the right tools. Yan yung mga mindset ng profitable trading. Yun yung mga mindset ng profitable trading. Alright, guys? So, mayroon ba kayong natutunan tonight? Tapos, sakto 1 hour kasi magti-trade pa ako. If you have some question, guys, feel free. Baka may questions ako. I'll still have time, guys. If you have questions, feel free to hit me in the chat. Kung may question kayo, guys. May natutunan ba lahat tonight? Kung may natutunan kayo, can you drop number 5 to the chat box? Kung may natutunan kayo, thank you for more than 100. Okay, 100. Guys, this is a long-term game. Thank you, Annalisa. Nag-note siya. Okay? Question. If you have some questions, wala nang questions. Kasi kung wala nang questions, then we're good to go. And ako ay magti-trade na. By the way, sino dito hindi pa nakasama sa GC? O hindi pa kayo nakasama sa GC at nakuha nyo itong link na ito sa isang Facebook page, ang gagawin mo lang is mag-reply ka ng I joined the webinar. Okay? Mag-reply ka doon sa Facebook page, sabihin mo na, Coach, pwede mo ba akong i-join sa GC para makasali din ako ng mga free trainings na ganito. At least, guys, at least, nagbibigay tayo ng free training na kahit hindi ka pa nag-enroll, meron na. E kung mag-enroll ka na, mas lalong mag-attend ka. Kasi, parang tuloy-tuloy yung yung profitability mo. Baka pwedeng palapag ulit ng Chart Mastery. Okay, Chart Mastery guys, ibibigay ko doon sa VIP community. So if you're a member of VIP community ngayon, Mots, mag-message ka sa VIP community, ibibigay ko sa iyo after this show. Okay? Ibibigay ko. Actually, binabigay naman natin lang. Guys, kung mayroon kayong Google Docs na binigay ng mga coaches ninyo, nandun yung Chart Mastery. Okay? Chart Mastery. Kung wala kang access, let me know. Even in just message, right then. Message mo lang kaagad sa VIP community. Coach, wala akong access ng VIP. Okay, I'll give you right away. Kasi given naman talaga yan para sa mga nag-enroll. At actually guys, yung Chart Mastery natin, bonus lang yun ha. Bonus lang yun because you're part under my community. Alright? I think that would be all. Wala na ba mga tanong? Any questions? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maraming salamat sa pag-join nyo. More than 100 participants. 100 participants all over the world. Congratulations for joining, guys. Ito lang, walang mangyayari kung hindi natin ina-apply. Huwag kang matakot, mag-try ka. Kahit demo lang, huwag kang matakot. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-enroll, it's okay. Maghingi ka sa coach. Coach, can you ask your link? Para ka mag-start ako mag-create ng trading account. I will give you. We will not hold that information to you. We'll give you a link. Bibigyan ka pa namin ng step-by-step guide kung paano mag-create ng account. Okay? Para makapag-start ka din, tamang-tama, may sweldo na, may sahod na, pwede ka na mag-enroll so that you will access dun sa cheat codes natin. Okay? You can access with the cheat codes. Alright? So guys, I think our 1 hour ends. Pasensya na po. Magti-trade pa ako ng 9 p.m. Magte-trade pa ako ng 9 p.m. Congratulations. Maraming salamat sa pag-join niyo. This is part of your paying the price. You're here because you want to pay the price. I'm sure success will be yours. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Huwag ma-discourage. Normal lang yan. Huwag matakot. Just implement at apply. And more importantly, you will be part of the community. Enroll in VIP community para po mag-guide kayo ng tama. Para po maturuan kayo ng tama. Kasi hindi po madali ang forex trading. But this is rewarding kasi it's called high-paying skills. Kung malalaman mo ito, pwede kang kumita ng 6 digit in 1 week or even in 1 day. Kaka-withdraw ko nga lang eh. Kaka-withdraw ko nga lang. Pwedeng ipakita. Pakita. Okay guys, oh. Pakita. Ay, hindi maklaro. Ay, ito, medyo maklaro pag ganyan. Okay. Siguro tanggalin. Ay, hindi pa rin. My withdrawal for... Ay, hindi maklaro talaga. Wag na lang. Alright guys, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Huwag ma-discourage. Learn the game. And then don't forget kung may kayo, may extra budget kayo, mag-enroll kayo para mag-guide kayo ng tama. God bless everyone. Happy trading. To God be the glory.